Exercise 4.4. Question number 4. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. Okay. The sum of age of two friends 20 years 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. Okay. Sum of ages of two friends is 20 years. First of all, we consider the age of first friend be x years. What will be the age of second friend? It is a 20 minus x. Very good. Let age of first friend be x years and age of second friend be okay, 20 minus x years. Okay. -20 x years. 4 years ago, age of first friend was 4 years ago. The age of first friend was how much? 4 years ago. Ago में ऐड करते हैं, माइनस करते हैं. x minus 4 years. Four years ago, the age of second friend was
20 minus x minus 4.
20 minus x minus 4. 20 minus 4 minus x years. Okay. 16 minus x years. Okay. Any doubt, any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. 4 years ago, the product of their ages was 48. 4 years ago, according to question. Four minus x, 16 minus x is equal to 48. 4 into 16. 4 into 16, it becomes 64. 4 into minus x, minus 4x, minus x into 16, minus 16x, minus minus plus, it becomes x square, it is 48. Okay. Now x square minus 20x plus 64 minus 48 equal to 0. Okay. X square minus 20x plus 16 equal to 0. Am I right or wrong?
Right, sir.
Okay.
Right, sir.
Now, what is A? What is B? Minus 20. What is C? 16. Capital D. B square minus 4AC. Minus 20 square What is A? A is 1, C is 16. 400 minus 16 minus 64.
Copies.
Tomorrow. That is x minus 4 and it becomes 16 minus x is equal to 48. Okay. X into 16. 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x is equal to 48. Okay, it becomes minus x square 16x plus 4x. It becomes plus 20x
28.
plus 20x minus 64 minus 48 equal to 0. Minus x square plus 20x minus 112 equal to 0. Now we take minus 1 as a common factor. It becomes x square, here is x, minus 20x plus 112 equal to 0. Okay. Now x square minus 20x plus 112 equal to 0. What is coefficient of x square? A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 20 and C is equal to 112. Now we will find out the value of capital D. D is equal to B square minus 4AC. What is B? Minus 20. What is A? A is 1. C is 112.
112.
Okay. Minus 448.
Minus 48.
Minus 48.
He
D is less than 0. Okay. So the given situation is not possible.
So no roots can be formed.
So the
No real root.
given situation is not possible. Given situation is not possible. Do it fast.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Question number 5. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter, area 400 meter square? If so, find the length and breadth. Rectangular park. ABCD is a rectangular park. Okay. We are considering here length is x, breadth is y. Okay, if length is x, breadth is y, then perimeter of rectangular park will be perimeter of rectangular park is perimeter of a rectangular park B.
2 times A plus B equals it.
What is given? 80 meter is given. Okay. Yes, 80 meter is given and perimeter of rectangle is twice of length into breadth. Length is x, breadth is y, that is 80. 2 ones are 2, 2 to 40. X plus y is equal to 40. Okay. Now x is equal to 40 minus y. That is question first. And area of rectangle is 400 meter square. According to second condition, area of rectangle is how much?
400 meters.
400 meter square. And area of rectangle, length into breadth, x into y, that is 400. Now we will replace x with 40 minus y. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You right, sir.
Okay, replace x with 40 minus y. Now the given equation will change into one variable, that is y. It becomes 40y minus y square is equal to 40y. y minus y square is equal to 400. Okay. Now we'll transfer minus y square from left hand side to right hand side. It becomes y square minus 40y minus plus 400
Plus 400.
equal to 0, because we are transfer left hand side values to right hand side. Transfer left hand side values to right hand side. So minus y square becomes positive and 40y becomes negative. Okay. Now make two factor such that multiplication
Minus 20.
minus 20
Yes, sir.
y square minus 20y plus 400 equal to 0. Now y as a common factor, y minus 20 as a common factor, y minus 20 equal to 0. Y minus 20 as a common factor, y minus 20 equal to 0. Okay, it becomes y is equal to 20 and 20. If your breadth is 20, then x is equal to 40 minus y. Length is also 20. Okay. X is equal to, what is x? 40 minus y. X is equal to 40 minus 20, that is 20 meter. Therefore length is 20 meter, breadth is 20 meter. So the given situation is possible. So given situation is possible. Okay.
Yes, sir. But sir, I was in an issue that the rectangular part is to be formed. Then why would
Exercise 5.3. Question number 15. A contract on construction job specify a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows: 200 rupees penalty for the first day, 250 penalty for second day, 300 rupees penalty as third day, and so on. The penalty of each succeeding day being rupees 50 more than the preceding day. How much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he delays the work by 30 days? ठीक ना? Penalty for
equal to 30.
Oh yes. Palantir for first day, second day, third day एंड सो ऑन. ठीक है, देखिए क्या बनेगा यहाँ पे. फर्स्ट डे पेलेंटी 200 रुपीज.
200, 250, 300.
Yes, plenty is 250, plenty is 300, and so on. A is rupees 200, D is rupees 50, and is 30 days.
Yes.
Okay. If we delayed the work 30 days, how much penalty paid by the contractor for? Okay. Penalty for 30 days. Penalty for 30 days. Sn n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now put the values and find the penalty for 30 days. Sn is 30 by 2. A is 200, n is 30, d is 50. 2 to 15. 400 plus 29 into 15. Okay. 15, 400, 29 5s are 145.
So it would be 1850.
185.
No, sir. 15 to 1850.
Okay.
Answer it would be 27,750. Yes, sir. 27,750.
$27,750.
Yes, sir.
A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is 20 less than its preceding prize, find the value of each of the prize. Okay. The value of prizes are as 16 and each prize 20 rupees less than the succeeding prize. Okay. Question number 16. The value of prizes are as. The value of prizes are as. First, the value of first prize is A and next prize is 20 rupees less than the preceding price. Succeeding price will be 20 rupees less than the preceding price. A minus 20.
Minus 20.
Next will be A minus 40 and so on. What is A? First price. A is 20. SN is 700. N is 7 cash prizes. How many cash prizes? 7. SN n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, that is 700. 7 by 2, 2. What is a? N is 7, d is minus 20. Okay. A plus 6 into minus 20. 200. 2a minus 120. 200 plus 120 is equal to twice of a. 320. 320 divided by 2, it becomes a and 160. The value of first prize is rupees 160. The value of 7 cash prizes. Firstly, 7 cash prizes RS. First is rupees 160. And next will be 20 rupees less, it becomes 140. 20 rupees next 120, 100, 1 2 3 4 5 rupees 60 and rupees 40. Do it fast. In a school, yes, in a school, student thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class. Okay, in which they are studying. Example, a section of class first will plant 1 tree. A section of class second will plant 2 trees. A section of class third will plant 3 trees. A section of class fourth will plant 4 trees, and up to 12th class. First class to 12th class, and each class has 3 sections. Yes. What happens?
So D is equal to.
Yes. What happens?
So D 3 ही होगा.
हाँ, 3 होगा क्योंकि फर्स्ट क्लास जो है वो 3 प्लांट लगाएगी, सेकंड जो 6 लगाएगी, 3 होगा. यस. Number of trees planted by students from 1st to 12th are as. Question number 17. Number of trees planted by students from 1st to 12th. 1st to 12th are as. Okay. First class will plant. A section of first class will plant 1 trees, and there are 3 sections. Okay. A section of second class will plant 2 trees and there are 3 sections. A section of class third will plant 3 trees and there are 3 sections. A section of class fourth will plant 4 trees, there are 3 sections, and so on up to 12. And 3 into 12. Any doubt, any problem?
No, sir.
No problem? 3, 6, 9, 12 and 36. Okay. Now, number of trees planted by student from class 1st to 12th. We have to find out. We have to find out. What is A?
Yes.
A is 3.
3.
A and last term 36. N is 12. S n by 2. A plus L. S12, sum of 12th term. S12,
12 by 2.
12 by 2, what is A?
3 plus
36.
36.
2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. 6 into 39.
234.
234 trees.
Yes, sir.
Do it fast. Eighteenth question. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles with center alternately at A and B, starting with center A of radius 0.5 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, as shown in the figure 5.4. What is the total length of each such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? Take pi is equal to 22 by 7. Okay. Total length of such a spiral made of 13 consecutive semicircles. Okay. Now, length of successive semicircle L1, L2, L3 with the center AB respectively. Okay. Question number 18. Okay. Now we will draw a spiral. Okay. Be the center of a semicircle below this line. That is L1, and whose center is A. That is L2, whose center is B. That is L3, whose center is L1. That is L4, whose center is B. Okay, and so on up to 13 consecutive semicircles. And radius of first semicircle is 0.5 centimeter. Okay, and radius of second semicircle is 1 centimeter. Radius of third semicircle is 1.5 centimeter, and so on up to 13 consecutive semicircles. Okay.
Yes, sir.
How can we find out the length of this semicircle?
Pi r.
Pi r. Okay, now we have to find out total length of 13 consecutive semicircle. 13 consecutive semicircle. Total length of such a spiral made of 13 consecutive semicircle. Okay, total length of a spiral spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircle RS pi R1 0.5 first pi into 1.1.0 and third is pi into 1.5 and so on 13. First semicircle radius is 0.5, second semicircle radius is 1, third semicircle radius is 1.5, fourth semicircle radius is 2 and 13th semicircle radius will be please tell me.
Sir.
First semicircle radius is 0.5, second semicircle radius is 1.0, third semicircle radius is 1.5, fourth semicircle radius is 2.0 and 13th semicircle radius will be
6.5, sir.
6.5. Very good. Okay. First 0.5 half, second 1 half, third 1.5 half, 13th half 6.5. Okay? Yes. Now we'll take pi and 0.5 as a common factor. It becomes 1. Now 1 divided by 0.5 it becomes 2. Now 1.5 divided by 0.5 it becomes 3 and so on up plus 30. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 up to plus 30, it becomes an AP. The value of pi is 22 by 7, 0.5 5 by 10. Okay, it becomes an AP. First term is A1, common difference is 1, last term is 13, number of terms is 13. Okay, n by 2 A plus L. (22 by 7, 5 by 10). N is 13 by 2. First term is 1, last term is 13. Am I right or wrong?
Right, sir. Right, sir.
13 by 2 into 14. 2 7s are 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. 2 1s are 2, 2 2 11. 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7. 11 into 13, it becomes 143 centimeter. Do it fast. logs are stacked in the flowing manners. 200 क्या है? लकड़ी के लट्ठे हैं, हमने उनको क्या करना है? स्टैक्ड करना है in such a manner 20 logs in the bottom row, after that 19 logs in the next row, 18 in the row next to it and so on. In how many rows are the 200 logs placed and how many logs are in the top row? Okay. Number of logs stacked are as number of logs stacked are as 20 logs in the bottom, in the next row 19, in the next 18 and so on. we have to stack 200 logs and we have to find out the number of rows in which 200 logs stacked. Number, we have to find out the value of n. Okay, number of rows. And we also have find that number of logs in the top row. जो सबसे लास्ट रो बनेगी टॉप में, उसमें कितने नंबर ऑफ लॉग्स होंगे. ओके, नाउ ए इज 20, d is a2 minus a1, 19 minus 20, that is -1. Okay, Sn 200 logs. Now apply the formula of Sn and find out the value of n. Sn n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is 200. N by 2, what is a? 20. And we have to find out what is d, -1. Okay, 200 n by 2, 40 minus n plus 1, minus n plus 1, it becomes 400 n. 41 minus n, 441 n minus n square. Coefficient of n square should be 1 plus 1. So we'll transfer it from right hand side to left hand side. N square minus 41 n plus 400 equal to 0. Now make two factor such that multiplication of two factors will be plus 400 and addition will be minus 41. Any idea?
Yes, sir, 1 minute.
Minus 25 and minus 16 n is equal to plus 400 equal to 0. N as a common factor, n minus 25 plus minus 16 as a common factor, n minus 25 equal to 0. Okay, n minus
N minus
25
25 and n minus 16.
equal to 0. N is equal to 25 and n is equal to 16. Okay, case first.
Yes, sir.
It means number of rows is 25. Okay, case first. अगर number of rows 25 है तो 25th जो रो बनेगी सबसे टॉप में number of logs कितने? Number of logs, case first. Number of logs in 25th row. 25th row. A25. A plus 24D. Am I right or wrong? What is A?
Right, sir.
20. 24 minus 1. 20 minus 24 minus 4. Number of
Minus
logs
4.
can never be negative. Number of logs can never be negative. Number of logs can never be negative. जब माइनस में आ रहे हैं तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. जब माइनस में अगर लॉग्स है तो वो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. नंबर ऑफ लॉग्स कैन नेवर बी नेगेटिव. सो n is equal to 25 is rejected. Is rejected. Case second. number of logs in a 16th row. Next is 16th row. A 16, A plus 15D. Okay, 20, 15 minus 1, 20 minus 15, that is 5. So number of logs in a 16th row, 5 logs. Number of logs in a 16th row are 5. Any doubt, any problem?